Hi, I'm Kat Tesla, and today I wanted to chat with you about when a painting is finished. How do you know when a painting is finished? For me, I have to feel good about the painting, I have to like the painting, feel proud of it, but my real telltale sign is that when I'm getting to the end of a painting, I'm finding that the marks that I make are making less and less of a difference in the painting. It's not really changing anything. That's how I know when I'm done. At that point, I set the painting aside for a couple of days, I look at it later, and I determine, do I have any urge to add anything, subtract anything? And if I don't, then I know for sure it's done. This is a topic that I'm going to be elaborating on in an upcoming online course. For years, I've had artists ask me about my Chrysalis series paintings. This is an abstracted nature painting series I've done for a long time. They've asked me about my tools, my techniques, my layering, and I've decided to put all of this into an online course and answer your questions once and for all. The course is called Abstracting Nature. It will debut in August. I'm super excited about it. And I also have another course that I'm going to be doing with another artist. My friend Julie Schumer and I teach an iconic course called Boldly Abstract. We usually teach that workshop in person, but we can't this year, so we're going to teach it online. That course will debut in the fall, probably in September. If you're interested in learning more about these online workshops, you can add yourself to my workshop list by clicking the link in my profile. When you click that link and add yourself to my list, you will get a free guide. I spent a lot of time putting this guide together. The guide is called The Best Investment You Can Make in Your Career as an Artist. I hope you'll find it helpful. I think it'll be especially helpful during the pandemic. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to my chats. I am still interested to know your answer to the question, when is a painting finished? It would be great if you could comment below this post. Tell me how you know when your paintings are done. It would be interesting to compare notes. Thanks again. Take care of yourselves and stay safe.